Hey, what's up? It's your boy Louis Lodge, back again with a new Photoshop series. And welcome to Lodge Productions. This is where we create crazy digital artwork just for fun. And if you're beautiful and handsome and you know it, don't forget to subscribe and like this video because you have a beautiful and kind heart. Anyways guys, in this new series I will be creating epic edits to boxing and MMA legends of all time. And guess what? Manny Pacquiao is one of my top 5 boxing legends of all time, and ain't nobody gonna stop that. You feel me? Big shout out to Manny Pacquiao fans watching this video. Don't forget to smash that like button and smash that subscribe button because this video is meant for you. Yeah, seriously guys, this video is meant for you, so you know what I mean? Anyways guys, this project took me 6 images that I downloaded from Google. One of the images was in black and white, so I had to colorize it using my epic Photoshop skills. Yes, I had to colorize it to match the others from black and white to colored. You know what I mean? So I hope you enjoy the rest of the video, and I will see you on my next series. Peace out. Enjoy.